Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your iPhone to black and white. What you need to do is just open your iPhone settings, then scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on display and text size, scroll down and tap on color filters. Then turn on the switch next to color filters and tap on Grayscale. Now you can go back. That's how you can make your iPhone black and white. If you want to turn it back to color, go to your iPhone settings and tap on accessibility, display text size, color filters, and turn off the switch next to color filters. Thank you for watching.